Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Monday, June the 29th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free room. 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free room. Room is open Monday to Friday between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I share my screen and I am live on the mic. And in the email you're getting, you will see a promo code for 15% off either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Idea subscription. Not actually that much action for me today. But the clean spark could get interesting later on in the day. Just want to show you why. Now I did take this trade. It was an AI alert at 3:31. It was on that candle. You see that green candle right there? It popped up, came right back down. I typically do not like to take the trades in the first 15 minutes. That one actually showed up after 5 minutes. But it did move back up on that candle there. It did move back up. I ended up taking that trade at 3:32. I thought, wow, okay, maybe it'll really accelerate. It got up to 3:54. I took some off just before that, and then I took it off on the way down. Now, the reason I want to just highlight this a little bit more, though, is that, maybe if it gets back to 308, that was the re-entry, okay, at 11:59 because it hit the stop, actually got stopped out. And this re-entry number, a price of 308, nothing highly scientific. It's halfway between 331, the entry, and 285, the stop. And there it is at 308. And it actually did touch 308 at 11:59, but it's pulled back again. But I'm going to be interested in this, I think, if it got over 310. So I might take that trade again later on. That is what is going to have to happen, though, for me to take the trade. When you look at this on the, the weekly chart, yeah, you can see that it's got room. I mean, that is what is attractive to me on this. It does have some room when you look left. I'm not saying it's going to get up to $5, but on the weekly chart, it has a shot to get up to this area. So that is kind of what I'm looking at. Now we've got. I think plug is pulled back, though it is pulled back, but it is now over 8 again. We've got plug and Ballard BL. I'm sorry, that's Boulder. Just a second. Not what is Ballard again? That's terrible. I should know BLRD. Anyway, Ballard. I can't remember what the symbol is. Plug, Ballard, and fuel cell. All. These are all solo. These are all in this electric vehicle sector. Solo, choppy though. Really, really, really choppy. But they're all on fire. And I know a lot of us, I actually did trade in and out of plug a couple of times. Not quite as dynamic as the Ballard was. Isn't it BLDR? BLDR? I know people are watching this going, come on, Barry, you know what it is. But it is. BLDP. Sorry, of course, it's BLDP. So here's Ballard. So look what it's done. I mean, there's a pre-market. It is absolutely fired, shot all the way up to $16. It is pulled back now. But I mean, this came from $13.50 up to $16, so $2.50. But this whole little electric vehicle market is just hot. So, I'll have to keep an eye on it. As a sector, definitely have to keep an eye on it. The Solo is a cheap one. Never seems to gain traction, though. Take a look at it on the weekly chart. Very, very choppy, topping tails, bottoming tails. Maybe at some point it's going to finally break out, but it just doesn't have that look to it. It looks like it's just kind of piggybacking right now on Ballard. And because I don't think it had any specific news of its own. But, this whole sector, this electric EV market is definitely hot. All right, everybody, I do want to get back into the room, so I'm going to bring back the capture program. Have any questions for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free room. And I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.